Hi, everybody. Thanks, Ruth. It's a joy, as always, to be part of the PEN Awards. Um, you've asked me to speak a little bit about why we established the Student Awards, and obviously, we're very happy to be in partnership with you. Although we've established them through Liverpool John Moores University, they're kind of awards for students around the country. So, like many other universities, John Moores University is an outward-facing university. We contribute to our local and regional communities and our international communities as well. And we, I'm from the Faculty of Health, the School of Nursing and Allied Health within the university. Um, so we're very used to being kind of part of the NHS and the health and social care sector locally, regionally, and nationally. Um, Most of us who work in the faculty have got backgrounds as professionals who have worked in either health or social care. So, first-hand experience of working with patients and their families, and recognise how important that is, how that's core to our everyday work. And I think our students would always remind us of that if we ever kind of lost sight of that. So people often kind of think universities are a bit of an ivory tower. I don't think our students would ever allow us to kind of get into that position. So we decided to develop two awards, one aimed at kind of more junior students who were undergraduates or pre-registration students who were patient experience advocates of tomorrow, but had gone the extra mile either through a project or through work they were doing in their practice placements to advocate for the people that they came into contact with, whether that was patients, service users or carers. And then the patient experience transformer of tomorrow for post-registration or postgraduate students who were able to use their studies and research to take a more strategic approach to transforming the experience of service users and driving up quality of their services. I'm really delighted that this year we have some John Moore students nominated for the first time since we've established the awards. And I suppose I just want to kind of make it clear, because I know some of the students very well, that I've had no part in the judging of this section of the awards. So I've got absolutely no idea who the winner is for either of those awards, but I look forward to kind of opening that envelope in a minute. So why are students important? I think we're probably all aware that students are going to be the kind of workforce of the future. They're going to be the generation of service providers, managers, leaders, commissioners who are going to shape and deliver services for the next 40 or 50 years. So we've all got a kind of stake in them. But students already may well be kind of making a difference through their projects. They often volunteer and make an additional contribution to their local communities as well. But they have the added advantage of seeing services through a new lens, and perhaps are able to kind of challenge practice because of that. They're able to combine care and compassion that they bring to their roles with a new enthusiasm and a fresh commitment. So that makes them ideal people to innovate and advocate for service users and become change agents or role models for other people to do that. So yeah, I think I've probably kind of just explained most of the things on that slide. So the final kind of slide, I suppose, is that we're kind of looking to the future with our students. 2020 has been a very significant year for everybody. It certainly has for me personally, because I lost my dad in the early part of this year. And I suppose it was a reminder that although I've got a professional background in health and care, I was very humbled by the level of support and care that my dad and we got as a family. So I'm sure that a lot of people here today have had similar experiences. Students made a huge contribution to the response to COVID earlier in the year. Most of them have kind of come back to their studies now, but a significant number, particularly from the Northwest and John Moores University, I'm proud to kind of say, contributed to the COVID response, and they're going to be the people who are going to lead and shape our services for the next few decades.